Look at the sheer scale of this incredible machine. What you are watching is a high-speed time lapse, but in reality, this is a slow, methodical journey of a giant. On Wednesday, February 25th, 2026, NASA's Crawler Transporter 2 took on a massive payload, the Artemis 2 space launch system, with the Orion spacecraft securely mounted on Mobile Launcher 1. But wait, they are moving in the wrong direction. Why is the most powerful rocket in the world rolling away from Launch Pad 39B? Space exploration is about absolute precision, and right now, safety comes first. NASA has ordered a rollback to the Vehicle Assembly Building, the BIDB and the Dalbasmine, with Dortuao Spandadi, the Thousandasma VA Afakro, the day Afaro B and the B and B Afrafo, right here at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The reason? Engineers detected an issue with the helium gas flow, leading to the rocket's upper stage, known as the Interim Cryogenic Propulsion Stage. In the harsh vacuum of space, there is no room for error. So the SLS is heading back indoors, where teams will troubleshoot and resolve the problem. It's a temporary delay, a minor detour on the highway to deep space. Once the fix is complete, this behemoth will roll back out to Pad 39B, ready to fulfill its destiny. Artemis 2 isn't just a test flight. It is the mission that will carry 4 astronauts around the moon and safely back home. The countdown is paused, but the mission continues. Hit subscribe to Future Sphere, and we will see you back at the launch pad.